you sure? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Wait for Dad.
Hi, Daisy.
Hello, these two.
Hi, Laura.
We're getting ready to pull a tooth.
Oh, yeah.
Since I have one today.
Did you have one today? You go get the pliers.
You're trusting, Laura.
Looks like somebody doesn't really understand what's involved.
Are you ready?
I'm not.
Are you ready, Laura? Are you sure?
Did it work?
Yeah, it just came off.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Got forward. Or
Let me see. Let me see. Is it still there? It's still there.
No, rip out your tooth. Rip it out. Just rip it out. Just pull it out.
Oh, gross.
Look, look at me.
I'm going to wait to eat.
It's bleeding.
Show me. Show me. Let's see.
Or just pull it out.
No, I guess it's not that.
Come here so I can punch you right in the...